Welcome to Portugal. Today I'll guide you through my top 10 must-visit places in this beautiful, diverse country. Let's dive in. Our journey through Portugal begins in Lisbon, a city that effortlessly blends old-world charm with a modern, vibrant spirit. Get ready to be captivated by its unique atmosphere, where history whispers from every corner and the sun-drenched streets invite you to explore. Portugal's vibrant capital is a feast for the senses. From the bustling downtown Baixa district, rebuilt after the devastating 1755 earthquake, to the charming historic neighborhoods, Lisbon offers a diverse tapestry of experiences. No trip to Lisbon is complete without a ride on the iconic yellow Tram 28. This vintage streetcar, a symbol of the city, will take you on a scenic journey through Alfama's winding cobblestone streets. Get lost in the maze-like alleyways of Lisbon's oldest district, where the soulful sounds of Fado music float from cozy restaurants, creating an atmosphere of melancholic beauty and profound emotion. Let the haunting melodies transport you to the heart of Portuguese culture. For breathtaking panoramic views, climb to Miradouro das Portas do Sol, one of Lisbon's many stunning viewpoints. From here you can admire the amazing views of the city's characteristic red rooftops cascading down to the shimmering Tagus River. It's the perfect spot to capture unforgettable photos and soak in the beauty of Lisbon. Venture to Belém, a historic district that holds significant landmarks. Here you'll find the amazing Belém Tower and the Jerónimos Monastery, magnificent examples of Manueline architecture. These architectural gems are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. They remind us of Portugal's age of discovery, a period of exploration and maritime dominance that shaped the world. These monuments stand as testaments to the courage and ambition of Portuguese explorers. No visit to Belém is complete without indulging in a warm pastel de Belém, the city's famous custard tart. This delectable treat, with its flaky crust and creamy custard filling, is a true culinary delight. For a taste of Lisbon's contemporary side, explore the creative LX Factory, a cool and trendy place for art, design and food, all housed within a repurposed industrial complex. Discover unique boutiques, art galleries and innovative restaurants in this vibrant hub. As night descends, Bairro Alto comes alive with a palpable energy. It's a great place for hopping between different bars, enjoying the lively atmosphere, and watching the diverse crowd. The narrow streets fill with people, creating a vibrant and unforgettable nightlife experience. From grand, expansive squares to intimate, artsy neighborhoods, Lisbon's infectious energy is truly captivating. The city's vibrant street life, with its mix of locals and tourists, creates a dynamic and welcoming atmosphere. Each neighborhood possesses its own distinct character and feel, but together, they create a harmonious blend that makes Lisbon a city you'll never forget. The memories you make here will stay with you long after you've left. Lisbon isn't just a place to visit on a map. It's an immersive experience that will leave an indelible mark on your soul. It's a city that invites you to slow down, savor the moment, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Our journey continues, and next we head north to Porto, a city brimming with history and charm. Prepare to be enchanted by its unique atmosphere and captivating sights. Porto is beautifully situated on the steep banks of the Douro River, its landscape a tapestry of colorful buildings cascading down to the water's edge. The river has been the lifeblood of this city for centuries. Take a leisurely walk around the colorful Ribeira district, the heart and soul of Porto. Here, the vibrant facades of the buildings create a picturesque scene. This historic area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its cultural significance and architectural beauty. It's a place where history comes alive. As you stroll along the riverfront, watch the traditional Rabillo boats float by. These boats once carried port wine down the Douro from the vineyards to the cellars in Vila Nova de Gaia. For breathtaking panoramic views, cross the Dom Luís I Bridge, especially during sunset. The golden light reflecting on the city is an unforgettable sight. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the old port wine cellars in Vila Nova de Gaia, located just across the river from Porto. These cellars are steeped in history and tradition. Indulge in a tasting session, sampling the rich flavors of ruby and tawny ports. Each sip tells a story of the Douro Valley's unique terroir. Learn the secrets behind the production of this famous drink, from the grape to the glass. Discover the aging process and the art of blending that creates the distinctive character of port wine. Step inside São Bento Station, a working train station that is also a masterpiece of art. Admire its stunning blue and white tile art, known as azulejos, which depicts scenes from Portuguese history. These intricate panels are a testament to the country's artistic heritage. If you love books and beautiful architecture, don't miss Livraria Lello, a literary landmark. It's widely considered one of the most beautiful bookstores in the world, with its stunning interior and iconic red staircase. Pay attention to Porto's small details, the intricate architectural elements. Notice the wrought iron balconies that adorn many of the buildings, adding a touch of elegance and charm. The Clarigos Tower, a Baroque masterpiece, offers panoramic views of the city from its heights. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the busy Bolhau market, a true taste of local life. These elements of Porto's street life all contribute to showing its true spirit and authentic atmosphere. The city's hardworking spirit and resilience earned it the nickname Cidade Invicta, a testament to its history. This translates to the Invincible City, a name that reflects Porto's strength and determination throughout the ages. Every small street and set of stairs invites you to explore further, revealing hidden gems at every turn. Each corner leads to something new to find, a delightful surprise waiting to be discovered. Porto will undoubtedly capture your imagination with its magical atmosphere and enchanting views, and your taste buds with its delicious cuisine and culinary experiences. Just a short journey outside the vibrant city of Lisbon lies a destination that feels worlds away. Sintra isn't just a place, it feels like stepping directly into a real-life fairy tale. The air is thick with enchantment, and every building seems to whisper stories of kings and queens, of magic and mystery. Begin your adventure by exploring the incredibly colorful Pina Palace, a true architectural marvel. It's perched high above the surrounding landscape, elegantly sitting above the lush green pine forests, offering breathtaking views. The palace is a feast for the eyes, with its bright, bold colors and a fascinating mix of architectural styles that blend together in a harmonious, almost whimsical way. It's a photographer's dream and an explorer's delight. Next, venture down to Quinta de Regalera, an estate shrouded in mystery and intrigue. This is a truly unique place filled with secret tunnels that wind beneath the earth, beckoning you to explore their hidden depths. Wander through its exquisitely landscaped green gardens, a tranquil oasis of beauty and serenity. Don't miss the iconic Initiation Well, a winding spiral staircase that descends deep into the earth, offering a symbolic journey of transformation. Take a walk along the old historic walls of the Moorish castle, a testament to the region's rich and diverse past. From these ancient ramparts, you'll be treated to amazing panoramic views of Sintra and the surrounding landscape, offering a tangible connection to Portugal's long and fascinating history. Back in town, the National Palace of Sintra stands out as a prominent landmark, a beautiful example of Portuguese architecture. It's easily recognizable by its famous twin chimneys and adorned with exquisite tilework, showcasing the artistry and craftsmanship of the region. The true magic of Sintra lies in its unique mix of royal getaways, each with its own distinct character and charm. Explore the mystical gardens, where hidden pathways and secret grottos await discovery, and be captivated by the dramatic scenery that surrounds you, with its rolling hills and lush vegetation. Every corner you turn holds a secret waiting to be uncovered, and every path you take tells a story of times gone by. So take your time as you wander through this enchanting place. Sintra richly rewards those who are curious and willing to explore. It's a place where dreams take flight, where old stories come alive, and where endless wonder awaits around every bend. Let your imagination run wild and free as you immerse yourself in this truly magical town. Sintra is more than just a destination. It's Portugal's fairy tale come to life, a place where magic is real and dreams can come true. Welcome to the Algarve, Portugal's sunny southern coast. Discover golden beaches and amazing cliffs at Lagos's Ponta da Piedade, best seen by boat or kayak. Relax in lively towns like Albufeira and Vila Moura, or find quiet on the wild Costa Vicentina. Further inland, find peaceful villages, rolling hills, and the historic town of Silves with its old Moorish castle. The Algarve is more than just beaches. It's a region of differences, from busy resorts to calm countryside. Here, every traveler finds their perfect piece of paradise. We travel to Madeira, the floating garden of the Atlantic. Hike along water channels through the lush Lara Silva forest, a UNESCO site. Stand on top of Cabo Jarao's glass walkway for breathtaking ocean views. Swim in Porto Moniz's volcanic pools, shaped by old lava flows. In Funchal, ride the cable car to Monte, walk through the painted doors, and try exotic fruits at the market. Don't miss the traditional toboggan ride, Madeira's unique thrill, adventure and beauty await around every corner on this magical island. In the heart of Alentejo, Évora is like a living museum. Be amazed by the Roman temple's ancient columns and climb the Sé Cathedral for wide-ranging views. Step into the Chapel of Bones, a spooky reminder that life doesn't last forever. Walk through sunny squares and quiet courtyards, soaking in hundreds of years of history. Enjoy local wines and tasty Alentejo food in cozy restaurants. Évora's charm comes from its old streets and long past. Here, every stone tells a story. Coimbra, sitting above the Mondego River, is Portugal's city of students. Tour the University of Coimbra and its stunning old library, home to ancient books and resident baths. Experience Coimbra's unique Fado, sung by students in traditional black capes. Stroll the lively Baixa district, shop for pottery, and visit the Santa Cruz Monastery. The city mixes old traditions with youthful energy and soulful music. Coimbra is where Portugal's past and future meet. The Azores, 9 volcanic islands in the Atlantic, are nature's masterpiece. On São Miguel, look at the twin lakes of Sete Cidades and relax in Furnace's hot springs. Go whale watching in deep blue waters, home to over 20 kinds of whales and dolphins. Climb Mount Pico, Portugal's highest peak, and explore UNESCO-listed vineyards. Each island has its own Fairytale's hydrangeas, Flora's waterfalls, Pico's wines. The Azores are a safe place for adventure and peace. Get away from the world and connect with nature's raw beauty. This is Portugal's wild side, untamed and unforgettable. Step into Óbidos, a medieval town surrounded by old walls. Walk the walls for wide views of red roofs and rolling countryside. Stroll Rua Direita, lined with craft shops and cozy cafes. Sip Ginjina liqueur in a chocolate cup, a local treat. Admire the castle, now a historic hotel, and enjoy the town's romantic feel. Óbidos comes alive during its festivals, but its timeless charm shines all year. It's a magical stop on any Portuguese adventure. Our final stop is the Douro Valley, a place of terraced vineyards and a winding river. Cruise the Douro for ever-changing views of hills and old wine estates. Ride the scenic train along the riverbank, especially between Pinhao and Pocinho. Visit a quinta for a port wine tasting and learn about traditions hundreds of years old. In autumn, the valley glows with golden grapevines, a dream for photographers. The Douro invites you to slow down, enjoy the scenery, and taste the land's richness. It's the perfect, calm ending to our Portuguese journey. That's a wrap on our tour of Portugal's top 10 destinations each, with its own story flavor and unforgettable charm. Thanks for joining me. Share your favorite Portuguese spots in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, happy travels.